So this guy says that his girlfriend gets angry easily, out of control, and says all kinds of things. And he tried to endure it, but now it's come a point where it's meaningless. And you are asking, how do you deal with this? Now listen, for you, it is your girlfriend. For me, it's my wife, it's my mother, it's my son. A girlfriend, today girlfriend, tomorrow no more. Because it's just a girlfriend. So, that's why you're asking me why. You know, what do I do? But if she is your wife, what will you do? If she is your mother, what will you do? Can you give up on your mother? No. If it's your son or 16-year-old daughter who behave like your girlfriend, will you give up on her? No. Because that's a daughter. That's a mother. That's a wife. That's a grandchild. So you are now making a choice because she's just a girlfriend. And therefore, maybe I am losing my patience. Maybe I have reached my limit. I cannot have a limit with my wife. There is no limit. It's called unconditional love. You have no clue what unconditional love is. If you really love a person, there are no limits. You volunteer your life to the person. You give your life to the person until they die or you die. Now that is the first thing you need to change inside here. Are you unconditionally loving this person? You got to imagine you're already married to this person, that you're not going to change just because you reach your limit. That attitude of a limit is what has brought you to this problem so big. So change number one. Are you willing to be unconditional with this person? Or are you lying to me that you are looking for an excuse to break up with this person? Look at my eyes and stop lying, okay? Now, if you stop lying, then you get on the same page with me and say, I am going to be with this person for life. I'm going to get married to her. We're going to grow old together. We're going to be an example for others. Now, if you make that decision, now we can talk. What is going on with the person? Yes, you know already. She is suffering. She has a lot of noise going on in the form of memories and voices and emotions, and she can't control herself because of you. It's your behaviors that is going on right now that is triggering all her past memories, that is keeps coming up. And you are the mirror. She's looking at you, and what's going on inside is just coming out. So you look at yourself in your mirror and ask yourself, what do I need to change? If I was her and I look at me, if I was my girlfriend and if I look at me, what do I need to change? Think about that. And if you ask yourself that question, probably you will know 10 or more things that you have to change in your behavior, in the way you think, the way you do things, the way you treat her. And when you do that, she'll have no need to react like that anymore. So if you are looking at her and thinking the problem is out there, one finger point there, 3 finger point here, 1 finger point to God for answer. There's no person up there to give you an answer. These 3 fingers is where it's coming back to you. You are responsible for what you're pointing at. So you think about that, okay? So what I said is true. You got to first make that decision, whether you're going unconditional or you bullshit your way and look for excuses to break up with this person. Number 2, then you empathize with her. No limits. No limit empathy, okay? You do it until it works. You know she is suffering because of you. You say, I love you, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you. You take look yourself in the mirror, make a list of all those things that she wants to see you change, and you change because you care for her. Think about that. No more lies. See you later.